A few weeks ago, we did the Petra Institute training here at our church, and it made such a big impact on me, specifically taking me back to the first century church. The church had the grandpa, the grandma, the parents, the children, all in one house serving the Lord together. And this is something that I implemented in our church services on Sunday. And it's amazing to see how God ministers to every generation in our services.
Open up the heavens, come rain down your presence. Jesus, come, inhabit the praise of the sinner and saint. Jesus, come, and Jesus, move.